Happy Chinese New Year, everyone! And we're here in the Chinatown version of Quezon City. Wala tayo sa Binondo. Nandito tayo sa Quezon City, sa Banaue Street, where kung saan ka magpapagawa ng iyong kotse, bibili ng mga pyesa ng mga nasisirang motor, andito. Pero also on this trip, maraming masarap na mga kain. And we're looking for hole-in-the-wall small restaurants to try out today. Kaya join me at kakain tayo sa Simpol Goes To! First stop ko is one of my go-to places for Chinese lumpia, ang Moyhong na. So, ito siya talaga. When I'm here in this area, pinupuntahan ko dito yung fresh amoy lumpia and also yung kanilang oyster cake. Yun ang pinakamasarap na oyster cake dito. Let's go. Thank you. Diba ketchup? Oh, diba? Yun talaga yung way na kumain. And ito siya, sticky rice. Parang siyang hongba. Humba. Ito, you see the baboy. Ito siya kasi siya dito. Hindi tipid yung baboy. Ang traditional nito, ito shiitake mushrooms. And usually, dati, makes me sound old. Pero dati kasi meron tong water chestnuts. Nice. Thank you. Yes. Pero siya, combination na siya ng pork and chicken. Saka mushroom. Ito talaga siya. I will show you ha. I will cut cross-section. A traditional lumpia wrapper lang to, no? Ito siya. It's vegetarian. May wanshui. Ano? Tofu, carrots, cabbage. Sa maraming vegetables. Yan. Healthy siya, healthy. Put our sauce. Yan, no? Mainit pa yung sauce, oh. Ito siya, hindi ko alam bakit pag kumakain ako ng ganito. Kahit wala siyang meat, ang feeling mo, very filling, very satisfying yung lasa. Kasi sa dami ng ingredients. Oops. Meron siyang I think it's fermented mustard. Then parang may seaweed ba to? Meron ba tong seaweed? Anong tawag sa seaweed? Hoti? Hoti. Seaweed. Yun talaga nalalasaan ko. Parang siyang nori flavored. Pero hindi siya nori kasi hoti nga siya, di ba? So, ito na yung ating oyster cake. Crunchy-crunchy sa ilalim. Then, medyo fluffy and chewy in the middle. So, meron siyang parang, I suppose, malagkit flour or potato starch. Hindi ko alam. Pero siyang tiko yung texture. Pero crunchy yung ilalim. Then may toge, a bit of freshness. Ito yung mga ilang mass orders dito sa Moyhong. Of course, there's a lot. Gusto ko yung miswa soup nila. And yung sauteed na liver and kidney. Yun. Kahit gusto ko mag-order ng mas marami. Ito lang muna. Kasi ikutin pa natin yung mga ibang mga favorite spots natin dito sa Banaue. Kakain naman tayo ulit. And this time, we're having some soup. Ito siya, a very thick Chinese soup with very tender meat called the Maki. So, pwede din with noodles, Maki meat. So, let's try it. Come on. First time ko dito, nakita ko lang, uy, gusto kong kumain ng Maki. And this is the Maki Soup. Oh. It's very thick. Oh. Yan, oh. It is like a jelly. Yan. Siopaw na, bola-bola. Kikiam. And the key to make this thick is not cornstarch. It's potato starch. And the meat is very soft. So, ang meat nito, pork meat siya. It's coated with layer of starch and parang dropped in the boiling broth. Kaya nagiging parang siyang velvety yung kanyang texture outside. Very classic. Kung naghahanap ka ng maki, ito. Maki talaga. And the kikiam. So the kikiam is parang like a Chinese sausage of sorts. Aroma niya, may parang 5 spice to. And chili sauce. And ang wrapper niya is made with tofu skin. So, tinatawag na taupe. Let's taste it. Yan, the kampong rice. Diyos pa. Hindi ito maganda mangyari sa'yo. Mabola-bola ka. Tingnan natin. Siksik na siksik. Oh, it's so firm inside. Parang masarap to na sopa. Best seller daw nila to eh. Ito kasi yung childhood talaga namin yung ketchup. Sarap din yung bola-bola. Ang fair. Yung bola-bola niya, yung very meaty. Alam mo, iba kasi yung bola-bola pag kinain mo, para siyang harina. Ito talaga, it's meat. Ito, simulan natin ito asado. Naubos mo yung bola-bola. Hindi ba ito parang white rabbit, nakakain yung balat? Oh, di ba? Napaka-orange. Tingnan nga natin. Masarap din, pero bola-bola it is. So, it's time for us to take a break muna para sa next natin na kakainan. Now we're here at Hockey Dumplings and let's try it out. And I have a kuchay dumpling and a shrimp dumpling. We'll start with a kuchay. Hot. Very traditional na mga dumplings. Wow! Shrimp dumpling. Naging crispy yung edges niya. So parang kumakain ng mini empanadas. Very nice. What's this? Humba. Look, it's so tender. Oh my God. Lambot. Oh, sumasayaw-sayaw siya, oh. Oh. Look at that. Sarap. Hindi siya matamis. Very nice. Pork chop. Lah. Without sauce muna. Sarap. You should try this place. Hockey dumplings. Very, 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 very good. Ito na yung soup ko. Nakikita na yung soup ko. With the black chicken. With miswaya, no? Yan. Ang meron dito yung sibot, no? Yung parang medicinal herb ng Chinese. Roots and bark. The soup is very aromatic. And it's really medicinal dahil black chicken yung gamit eh. Very clean tasting. And ito, yung black chicken. Have you ever tried black chicken? Diba? Yung laman niya tsaka yung skin niya is black. Hindi yung feathers yung black. Pero yung meat niya, kasi yung feathers ito puti eh. Nice. Ito siyang yung part ng sibot. Parang may date or something. Parang may paka-licorice yung flavor and aroma. If kanina nag-siopaw tayo, ito naman huapaw. So it's like a sandwich, no? Like a bun. And ito siya, let's see what's inside. So I think this is chopped nuts. Then may mustard, bagong luto, sobrang init. And let us try. Best seller daw nila to. Let's see why. That is why. Ang sarap niya. Mag-order kayo para matikman nyo. Ang sarap niya. Sabi. Oh, nandiyan na pala kayo. Kumakain na ako dito. Ito siya. It's like a shaved ice dessert. Banana essence yung syrup nila. Yung beans nila is cooked and it's really tender. Pag kinain mo, para siyang nagme-melt in your mouth. For people who love beans. Ako, I love beans. So, we ordered 3 desserts. Ito siya. Chocolate marshmallow. Whatever. This one sa gulaman. Gulaman. Tingnan ko ha. Tingnan ko. Pwede. Gusto ko pa rin siya. Pero mas masarap yata yung memory ko sa kanya kaysa it is right now. Kasi 7 or 8 years ago pa ako nakakain dito the last time. So these ends are Banaue food tour. Patsya kayo dito. So far, we went to 4 restaurants. Halos hole in the wall. This is the last one. Nag-dessert lang tayo dito sa baba. May turo-turo. Sabi yung turo-turo nila, very traditional, authentic na Taiwanese dishes. So far, ang aking pinaka-favorite ay ang dumplings place na Hoki Dumplings. Yun ang wala sa plano naming puntahan. Nakita ko lang siya. Pero so far, yun ang pinakagusto ko. Kaya try niyo yun ha, sa Banaue. And now, gusto niyo? Order kayo. Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!